school education is we educate people why wolves are essential within the ecosystem and why we actually need to have protection on the wolves, and how important conservation efforts are, and how important reintroduction programs are. And the number one reason that people have issue with having wolf dogs or wolves reintroduced into the wild is because of the lack of education, that the attacks that have happened over the years have been provoked and they're very minimal. Without these animals in nature, so many things are destroyed because wolves actually make herds stronger and they actually allow balance of life to happen. And Yellowstone is actually the prime example of how and why that is. Yellowstone was suffering for a very long time, and in 1995 we came in and said, how can we make Yellowstone back to what it once was? And in 1995 we did a reintroduction program back into Yellowstone. And that reintroduction program, we started to see some really remarkable things. Because what was happening is the herds had come in, they've overpopulated, and they overpopulated so much so that species of animals that once were very healthy and surviving in Yellowstone were starting to die out. So what they did is when they reintroduced the wolves back into Yellowstone, they started to control those populations. But how they did that was not taking out the healthy and the strong, they were taking out the old and the sick, allowing those herds to now be strong and to be able to spread good genetics instead of bad genetics, which is what wolves do.